वेलकम टू फ्री स्टडी अलर्ट। आज आप लोगों को बताऊंगा इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आंसर ऑफ हिस्ट्री पार्ट 1, जो सभी एग्जाम्स के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट रहेगा। तो चलिए क्वेश्चन को शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, इन हुज वाइसरॉयल्टी द कंट्रोवर्सी ऑफ इल्बर्टविल हैड अरीजन? ऑप्शन ए लॉर्ड रिपन, ऑप्शन बी लॉर्ड डुफेरिन, ऑप्शन सी लॉर्ड लैंसडॉन, ऑप्शन डी लॉर्ड इल्जिन टू। करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए लॉर्ड रिपन। देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, the image of Buddha with a circular head, hollow and flying Gandharvas on either side with garlands in hands appeared for the first time during the option A Gandhara School of Arts, option B Mathura School of Arts, option C Gupta School of Arts, option D Amaravati School of Arts. Correct answer is option A Gandhara School of Arts. Then question number 3, the polity of Harappan people as derived from the material evidence was option A secular federalist, option B theocratic federalist, option C oligarchic, option D theocratic unitary. Correct answer is option D theocratic unitary. Then question number 4, the Battle of Plassey was fought in option A 1757, option B 1782, option C 1748, option D 1764. Correct answer is option A 1757. Then question number 5, who among the following was the president of Indian National Congress when India got independence? Option A J.V. Kripalani, option B Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, option C Mahatma Gandhi, option D Jawaharlal Nehru. Correct answer is option A J.V. Kripalani. Then question number 6, the word Varna is issued in Rig Veda with reference only to difference between. Correct answer is option A Dasya and Aryan, option B Vaishya and Shudra, option C Brahman and Kshatriya, option D Arya and Dasa. Correct answer is option A Dasya and Aryan. Then question number 7, who among the following had first deciphered the edicts of Emperor Ashoka? Option A George Buller, option B James Prinsep, option C Max Muller, option D William Jones. Correct answer is option B James Prinsep. Then question number 8. The theory of economic drain of India during British imperialism was propounded by option A. Jawaharlal Nehru, option B. Dadabhai Naoroji, option C. R.C. Dutt, option D. M.K. Gandhi. Correct answer is option B. Dadabhai Naoroji. Then question number 9. Which of the following rulers built a Shiva temple at Gangaikonda, Cholapuram and excavated a tank called Chodogarg? Option A. Rajadhiraja, option B. Rajendra II, option C. Veera Rajendra, option D. Rajendra I. Correct answer is option D. Rajendra I. Then question number 10. Which of the following is not considered an Indo-Aryan language? Option A. English, option B. Arabic, option C. Persian, option D. Avesta. Correct answer is option C. Persian. Then question number 11. In 1931, after which of the following incidents Gandhiji suspended civil disobedience movement? Option A. Gandhi Ruin Pact, option B. First Round Table Conference, option C. Second Round Table Conference, option D. Bomb blast in assembly. Correct answer is option A. Gandhi Ruin Pact. Then question number 12. To which professions earlier leaders who struggled for freedom of India mainly belonged? Option A. Lawyers, option B. Teachers, option C. Journalists, option D. All of the above. Correct answer is option D. All of the above. Lawyers, teachers, journalists, all are. Question number 13. Which of the following showed the greatest uniformity in Harappan settlement? Option A. Town planning, option B. Building, option C. Bricks, option D. Religious practices. Correct answer is option A. Town planning. Then question number 14. Which of the following was given Gandhi scheme in 1944? Option A. D.D. Dhar, option B. S.N. Agarwal, option C. M.N. Roy, option D. J.P. Narayan. Correct answer is option B. S.N. Agarwal. Then question number 15. Dhamma Maha Matas were mentioned in Which of the following rock edicts? Option A, third edict. Option B, fifth edict. Option C, sixth edict. Option D, seventh edict. Correct answer is option B, fifth edict. Then question number 16. The Mughal paintings reached at their peak during the reign of option A, Akbar. Option B, Jahangir. Option C, Shah Jahan. Option D, Aurangzeb. Correct answer is option B, Jahangir. Then question number 17. In reference to Maratha administration, Peshwa refers option A, Prime Minister. Option B, Revenue Minister. Option C, Home Minister. Option D, Foreign Minister. Correct answer is option A, Prime Minister. Then question number 18. They signed the Treaty of Basin in 1802 with the British East India Company. Option A, Bajirao 1. Option B, Bajirao 2. Option C, Sultan Bahadur. Option D, Ashoka. Correct answer is option B, Bajirao 2. Then question number 19. Who among the following was a contemporary of Gautam Buddha? Option A, Nagarjuna. Option B, Kanishka. Option C, Kautilya. Option D, Mahavir. Correct answer is option D, Mahavir. Then question number 20. Who is also known by the name Frontier Gandhi? Option A, Subhash Chandra Bose. Option B, Jawaharlal Nehru. Option C, Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Option D, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Correct answer is option C, Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Then question number 21. Who among the following founded Theosophical Society in USA? Option A, Dr. Rani Besant. Option B, A.O. Hum. Option C, Tilak and Gokhale. Option D, Madan Blavatsky and Olcott. Correct answer is option D, Madan Blavatsky and Olcott. Then question number 22. The territory of Porus, who offered strong resistance to Alexander, was situated between the rivers of option A, Satluj and Biaj. Option B, Jhelum and Chenab. Option C, Ravi and Chenab. Option D, Ganga and Yamuna. Correct answer is option B, Jhelum and Chenab. Then question number 23. Which of the following was the only Surawardi Sant who lived during the reign of Sikandar Lodi? Option A, Haji Abdul Wahab Bukhari. Option B, Shihabuddin Surawardi. Option C, Mukdam Jahania. Option D, Salim Chishti. Correct answer is option A, Haji Abdul Wahab Bukhari. Then question number 24. Under which leadership was the All India Muslim League set up? Option A, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Option B, Syed Ahmad Khan. Option C, Aga Khan. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer is option C, Aga Khan. Then question number 25. This is the last question. Chachnama is the oldest chronicle of which of the following regions? Option A, Kashmir. Option B, Gangadhar. Option C, Sindh. Option D, Punjab. Correct answer is option C, Sindh. अगर आप इस क्वेश्चन आंसर को PDF में डाउनलोड करना चाहते हैं तो नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक दिया गया है, वहां जाके आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।